Hi, I'm Sajin. Now I'm going to present our design thinking project on hostel water management and smart monitoring system. Water is one of the most essential resources for human survival and daily activities. In a hostel environment, where a large number of students depend on a shared water supply system, proper water management becomes very important. However, in many hostels, water is not utilized efficiently due to poor management practices. This leads to problems such as irregular water supply, unnecessary wastage, and inconvenience to students. In our daily observation, we noticed that students often struggle with water-related issues. Sometimes water is not available when needed, and at other times it is wasted due to workflow or careless usage. These problems not only affect the comfort of students, but also lead to the loss of a valuable natural resource. The situation highlights the need for a better and more efficient water management system that is simple, practical, and suitable for hostel conditions. To address these issues, we have applied the design thinking approach, which focuses on understanding the user problems, identifying the root causes, and developing effective solutions. In this project, we aim to analyze the water management problems in hostels, identify the key challenges faced by students, propose simple and cost-effective solutions, develop a prototype to test our idea. Our goal is not to create a complex system, but to design a solution that is easy to implement, sustainable, and capable of reducing water wastage while improving the water management system. Through this project, we also emphasize the importance of responsible water usage and awareness among students.
Hello, I'm Sriram. I'm going to explain about our first solution, which is the water level monitoring system using LED indicators. The main purpose of the solution is to monitor the water level in an overhead tank continuously and provide a clear and immediate visual indication of the current water status. This helps us to understand the tank condition without physically checking it. In many hostels, one of the most common problem is water flow and water storage, over water flow, no water storage. This happens because people are not aware of the exact water level in the tank. As a result, water get wasted or sometimes it run unexpectedly. To solve this issue, we decided a simple and effective monitoring system. Now let me explain this how this works step by step. In this system, multiple sensors are placed at the different levels inside the water tank. Typically, a sensor at three levels: low, high, and medium. These sensors are connected to a control unit and LED indicators placed outside the tank where they are clearly visible to the users. When the water level is at the lowest point, the bottom sensor get activated. At this stage, a red light glows. The red light is used to because it indicates the danger or warning. This tells us the users that the water level is very low and immediate action is required, such as turning on the motor. As the water level start increasing and reaches the middle level, the second sensor get activated. At this stage, a yellow light glows. The yellow color represents a normal or moderate condition. This indicates that the tank has a sufficient amount of water, but it is not at full. Finally, when the tank reaches the maximum or a full level, the top sensor get activated. At this stage, a red green light shows. Green light indicates that the tank is completely filled. In addition to this, we can also include a buzzer or alert system, which will notify the user that the tank is full and the motor should be turned off. This system provides a real-time indication, which means users can instantly know the water level just by looking at the LEDs without opening the tank or climbing upstairs. These are several advantages of this system. First, it prevents the water flow by giving a clear indication when the tank is full. This helps in saving a large amount of water. Second, it reduces the manual effort. Users do not need to physically check the water tank again and again. Third, it saves time and energy, especially in hostels where water usage is high and frequent monitoring is required. So the solution provides a efficient way to manage it. Fourth, the system is simple and cost effective. It does not require expensive components and it cannot be easily installed and maintained. Fifth, it is reliable and easy to understand because the LED colors provides a clear and universal indication of water levels. Additionally, the system can be further improved by connecting it to a automatic motor control system. In that case, the motor can actually turn on and the water level is low and turn off when the water tank is full. This makes the system even more efficient and fully automated. In conclusion, water level monitoring system using LED indicator is a simple, efficient, and practical solution for managing water in hostels. It helps in avoiding water wastage, ensuring proper usage, and reducing human effort. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Pavendan and now I am talk about greywater recycling system. The second solution we propose through greywater recycling system use a filter pipe mechanisms. Greywater refers to water waste generated from activities such as washing clothes, bathing, cleaning, which is not heavily contains and can be used to after basic filtrations. And in the system, wastewater from bathrooms and washing areas is collected and passed through a filter pipe setup. In this recycling method, the filter pipe contains multiple layers, filtering materials such as air, sand gravel, and charcoal, which helps to removing impurities and substance particles from the waters. As the grey water flows through the filter pipe, it gets partially purified and becomes suitable for use in non-drinking water, toilet flushing, grinding, and gardening and clean the floors. These are used in grey water. The system significantly reduces the demand of fresh water by reuse already used water. These are the mainly used in recycling. It also decreases the amount of wastewater being discharged, making environment friendly. And overall, the grey water recycle system is an effective and eco-friendly solution that helps in conserving water resources and improving water management in these hostels. Thank you, guys.
Hi, I am Vinod. Next, to make our water management system more practical and effective, we have designed a web-based dashboard that plays a key role in monitoring and controlling water usage. This dashboard specifically builds for wardens, administrators, and management staff who are responsible for handling water resources in hostel or residential environments. Traditionally, water management is done manually, which often leads to inefficiency, wastage, and lack of proper monitoring water system. Our system changes this by introducing a data-driven approach where everything can be tracked in real time. This dashboard provides multiple important insights. First, it shows a water tank levels. It helps administrators clearly understood how much water is available at any given moment. Instead of waiting for tanks to run empty, they can take protective actions. Next, it monitors water usage. This allows users to see how much water is being consumed daily over a period of time. By analyzing the data, unusual spikes or wastage can be easily identified. Another important feature is tracking recycled water. Since our system indicates grey water recycling, this dashboard displays how much water is being reused. This highlights the efficiency of the system and encourages sustainable practices. Additionally, it shows water savings. This gives a clear idea of how much fresh water is being conserved due to recycling and efficient usage. It makes impact of the system visible and measurable. All these features together provide a real-time insights which helps in better decision making. For example, administrators can schedule water usage, detect leaks yearly, and optimize distribution. This makes the system not just smart but also highly practical of real world use. Next, one of the most major advantages is that it reduces the water usage. By continuously monitoring usage and detecting inefficiencies, unnecessary loss of water can be minimized. Second, it ensures a consistent water supply. Since tank levels are always visible, timely refilling can be planned, avoiding sudden shortages. Another key benefits is grey water. Grey water reuse. Instead of letting used water go to waste, our system filters and reuses it for non-drinking purposes like cleaning or gardening. This significantly reduces the demand for fresh water. Our solution also strongly supports sustainability in today's world where water scarcity is becoming a serious issue. System like this helping in conserving resources and protecting the environment. At the same time, the system is designed to be low cost practical. It does not require expensive and infrastructure, making it suitable for implementation in hostel, apartments, and similar setups. Because of this is not just a theoretical idea but a real world application solution. Finally, our system combines monitoring and recycling to create a smart and sustainable water management solution. Traditionally, water usage follows a linear process. Water is used once and then discarded. But our system transforms into a circular process where water is reused and managed efficiently. This ensures every drop of water is utilized efficiently. Next, this through technology and smart design, we are taking a small but meaningful step towards to solving a big problem. Thank you.